Do you want a click button in Roblox that looks exactly like this? Well, in this video, I show you exactly how to do that. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Start GUI. We're going to get a screen GUI, and we're going to make a text button. And you can make this however you want to be, but this is going to be the button that we click to make the actual clicker. So we'll go in here. I'll make it like this. I'm just going to customize it how I want to. You can customize however you want. I'll make it a nice blue, and then I'll scale the text, and I'll use an emoji. And to use emojis on Windows, you press the Windows key, hold it down, and then press the period button. And if you do that, it comes up with a bunch of emojis, and I'm just gonna choose the mouse emoji, and then I'm gonna also add UI corner for style and change it to 0,20. Now it's time to get into the scripting. So we have a button, but if we test the game out and clicked it, it would do absolutely nothing. So we're gonna go into the script service. We're gonna make a script. We're gonna call it. We're gonna call the script leaderstats. And then in here we're going to get game.players.playerAdded colon connect function. Then now I have our function, so when someone joins the game, it's going to we're gonna first get our leader stats. So local leader stats equals instance.new parentheses quotation marks folder. Then outside of it we go we're gonna go player and put player inside of the parentheses after the function. Make sure to do that. And then we'll go leader stats dot name equals and quotation marks. We'll just do leader stats. And then next thing we'll go local coins. Local. Next thing we're gonna do is go local clicks equals instance dot new, and then parentheses quotation marks int value, and then after it we're gonna parent it to leader stats. So basically what this is doing is it's saying when player joins the game, it's gonna make leader stats folder in the player. It's gonna parent it to the player. So what this does is it just makes the player the parent, and then it makes down here it makes the leader stats the parent. And then we're changing the name, and let's change the name to for clicks.name equals just do clicks, something simple. And then we're done with this. Actually no, we're not. Go clicks.value equals 0. So you start off with 0 clicks. And so we're done. You can close out of this script, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our text button, and we're going to add a local script. Here we will go script.parent.mouse button one click connect function. Then we don't put anything in the parentheses this time, and we'll get local leader stats equal. Actually no, we will not get our leader stats. We'll go local clicks equals no. First let's get our player. Let's go local plr equals game.players .local player. And by the way, PLR is just short for player. And then we'll go local clicks equal game dot not equals game equals player. We'll wait for child. Then we'll go leader stats. And then outside of that, we'll do another wait for child, and then clicks. So this is just getting the player, and then the clicks, it's gonna go into the player and wait for the leader stats to load up, and then it's going to go inside the leader stats and get the clicks, and that's what the clicks variable is. So now what do we want to happen when we get the mouse button when we click the text button? Well, we want it to increase the number of clicks. So if we do that, so this is how we do it. We go clicks.value equals clicks.value plus 1. And then we can just, and then so that just gets the value, and then every time you click it, it changes the value up by 1. And then we can go to play. We can test this out. See, if before we even click it, we can go into our player or players, then your player, and then you see you have a folder called leaderstats, and then clicks should be there. And then every time you click it, it makes the clicks value go up by 1. And then now if we want to take this a step further, we can add another GUI, another thing in the screen GUI, and we can make it a text label. And let's title this clicks display. And while you're at it, rename your text button to like click button, just to keep everything all organized. And so the clicks display, I'll just make this look pretty nice. I'll go in here, I'll make it this color, I'll change the font to Fredoka 1. I really like that font right now, if you've seen any of my other videos, and then I've been using it a lot. And then change the text to 0, and then scale the text, and I'm going to add another UI corner, and I think it looks good like that. So now we've got the display of clicks. Just down here in the other local script, under it go script.parent.clicks_display.text equal, and then copy this from what the clicks is, or no, just put clicks.value, and then that should make it equal the clicks value. So if we go here, test the game out, we click it, and you see that every time you click it, it goes up with the clicker. So that's how you make a click button in Roblox and have it display the amount of clicks there is. Subscribe for more content. I think I'll be posting a lot more than I used to. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.